Tesla has surprised us over years with its new technological advancements. Its contribution towards green environment with the introduction of electric vehicles is commendable. Elon Musk, the tech genius, has always been passionate and innovative towards improving the quality, reliability, and overall performance of Tesla EVs. With use of next-gen Tesla-built batteries and, of course, autonomous driving experience, Tesla is on the verge of achieving that sweet spot which will revolutionize future of transportation. Well, stay tuned until the end of the video where we will walk you through Tesla's new EV car project, which will help wipe away all its competitors in a blow. Yes, that's correct. When Tesla plans to roll out an EV at just $25,000, which is fast, efficient, and safe, why on this earth would someone consider buying some other car? In Tesla's Gigafactory located in Shanghai, China, testing and research on new Model 2 is in full swing, and the single design sketch from Tesla's official sources for this Model 2 are already out. It's indeed an elegant-looking semi-hatchback car which is planned out to be produced on Tesla's Model 3 production line and chassis. The car will cater to the Chinese market but sell globally in places like the United States and other countries as per demand. We imagine that it will compete against other small entry-level electric vehicles like the Chevrolet Bolt, Mini Cooper SE, and the Nissan Leaf, with major competition from China's other EV car manufacturers. To improve on range, Tesla will be using its own tabless batteries, which Musk believes will be cheaper to produce and 6 times more powerful, increasing the range by 16%. This is around 200 miles in a single full charge. As of the sources, it's confirmed that the initial test and research for this project is on schedule and the production is estimated to start by 2023 or even before. Here is now, the Model 2 will be compared to Model 3. In regards with size, Model 2 is 10 to 25% shrinked in volumetric weight for obvious reasons of cost cutting. The car will have just one engine to reduce weight and indirectly improve the range. In regards with the speed, it's expected to have 200 HP and can do 0 to 60 miles an hour in less than 5 seconds, which is good enough for entry-level budget EV car like this. Although there are some cars which are selling around $5,000 to $6,000 in China market, Tesla obviously do not mean to target people in that segment. But still, looking at the appetite of China market and popularity of brand, Musk estimates it to be a great hit in short time after launch. Not to mention the safety features and reliability of Tesla, it has got an upper hand on them just if they are compared with other brands in the market. In states, the price can even go down to $19,000 if Green Act is passed, which will facilitate $7,000 federal tax credit for electric vehicle owner. Future EV is definitely going to cherish after such acts being passed. And now comes the answer to the question you've all been asking. When will the car be available in markets apart from China and the United States? The date is not yet disclosed firmly, but the production is ahead of schedule, and hence we can expect this Model 2 in the marketplace by the start of 2024.